Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to change a quick release valve, the front quick release valve on a 2012 and up Peterbilt 388 and 389. So we are replacing this sucker because it is making this sound whenever we push on the brakes. Now, replacing this should be pretty easy. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do it. This is for a 2012 and up Cummins ISX. So if you got an older Peterbilt, it might not be the same configuration just because the ISX generation is different. So this is for an ISX motor. I'm going to show you what's wrong, or not what's wrong, and how to change it. But the first things first is we got to release the air out of the truck. So you could also release it like this. Or what you do is you deplete the system completely like that, or the combination of both. So this is how it looks like from underneath. These connect here. These are quick connects. You got to disconnect them as well after you disconnect the quick connects. That's why we release the air. Then you got one on top to deal with as well, and these are the bolts that take the sucker off. Next, we're using a 5/16 to take off on both sides. So I'm going to try to explain it the best way I can. Over here, as you can see, this is supposed to move independently with this, but it's not. So I'm doing it like hands-free, like kind of. So basically I have it loose. So once I tighten it up, this airline will go back to its old position. So you don't want to twist up the airline. All right, the moment of truth. All right, now we just wait for the air pressure to build up, and then after that, you're gonna turn off the truck and listen for air leaks. So I don't hear any air leaks. Time to do the brake test here. If I hear anything, let's do that now. Moment of truth. I don't hear anything. The final test is I'm holding the brake down. Now let's go listen if it's leaking any air at all, which it shouldn't if it's done right. Nope, I don't hear any air leaking out of here at all. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 6 turn right. driving in 10th in the 6 Series.